Is the crypto market back? That's the question that everyone's asking. And I'm here in my office here at London Real Studios looking at a graph that I've been keeping an eye on for the past few weeks. If you're in my Crypto and DeFi Academy, especially in my Kings of DeFi program or my investment club program, you know I look at this constantly. And this is the ratio of Ethereum to Bitcoin. And this has been really fascinating to watch recently and over the last couple of months, because you've seen that what happened is it dropped all the way down to about almost 0.05, and that's the number of basically ETH to Bitcoin. ETH is probably about 1,000 at the time, and Bitcoin was probably about 20,000. And then recently you've seen it climb right back up to almost 0.07. And you can see just a little bit of history of this. If you take it back to March, that's even higher than it was trading back in March. And this fundamental ratio is important. Obviously, we're seeing Bitcoin here now, it just crossed $23,000, and Ethereum on a tear right now at 1564. Look at these big gains here. Ethereum up 44% in the last 7 days. Those are big numbers. The reason I watch this ratio a lot is because it tells me one thing. If Bitcoin is digital gold, Ethereum is a digital technology play. Now look, Bitcoin does digital gold fantastically. It stores value. It's digital property, as Michael Saylor said to me when he was on the show. And it's a great way to have a digital asset, but Bitcoin doesn't do much more than that. Whereas Michael Saylor said to me, he said, Brian, I like Bitcoin because it has low aspirations, right? It doesn't try to do too much. It's not programmable. It's not trying to solve all the problems in DeFi, and it's not trying to replace the banks where I worked for many years. It's just trying to do one thing, and it does it well, and I agree. But if you want to play on digital technology, that's Ethereum. Now, as the market was crashing the last couple months, people were like, you know what? I want out of everything except for Bitcoin. And it held its value better than anything else, including the altcoins. But now we're seeing a big spike in this comeback. And we're seeing the ratio of value between Ethereum and Bitcoin coming slamming back. And for me, this tells me one thing. The market is back, and it's betting on a whole new future that involves more than Bitcoin. And I'm sorry, Bitcoin maxis, I've had a bunch of you on my show, and I love y'all like brothers and sisters. But I'm a big fan of decentralized finance, metaverse, and all things blockchain, which means we need more than just Bitcoin. And this is the market saying that, yes, we agree with you. It is saying that this is coming back. Now, we know the Ethereum merge is coming up soon, which is an important part in the move from proof of work to proof of stake, which is going to make Ethereum so much cheaper, so much faster. The biggest complaint I get in my Crypto and DeFi Academy is the gas fees are too high. So when they try to do DeFi trades and they try to mint NFTs, it's too expensive. And I get it. But guess what? With the merge and proof of stake, it's going to make this much cheaper, much faster. And Ethereum is going to be able to compete with a lot of these layer one solutions, and it's got the developers to back it up. This is an incredibly good sign for crypto markets in general, for decentralized finance, and for the future of blockchain. And again, some big numbers here. Look, crypto is volatile. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. And we're seeing some big spikes here. Again, Bitcoin back over 23,000. A lot of people are saying now we could see Bitcoin going back to 30,000 in the next few weeks before summer. Yes, there could be some more downsides always. And this is a very volatile market, but these are really strong signs for DeFi. Look, if you want to learn more about this stuff, we believe this is the future here at London Real. We have our upcoming Crypto and DeFi Academy starting in about 12 days. Click the link below or go to londonreal.tv/DeFi, DEFI, and you can sign up for this course. I teach it personally. I mentor my students, and some of my students have gone on to do massive things in this space. These are the kind of things we look at every single day. Tell me your comments below. Do you think we're out of the bear market? Do you think we're gonna see new highs in Bitcoin? Do you think we're not gonna see any more lows? Do you believe in DeFi? Do you think this ratio is a really important ratio to look at going forward? Because I think it is. And leave me your comments. Again, if you want to learn this stuff from the best people in the world, that's what we do here at London Real. If you like this technical analysis, leave me a comment below. And I'll be watching this ratio like a hawk, as well as the market. But regardless, we're into this space for a long time. We're big believers of this going forward. And look forward to seeing you inside our academy.